Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be doing a combination pour consisting of the puddle pour, which I showed you how to do in my episode 13 video, and flip cup, which I showed you in my introduction 6 video. If you want to find these on YouTube, just type in my name, Odetta Dixon, E13, or Odetta Dixon, intro 6. So let's dive right in. I have an 8 by 8 inch canvas, which I painted black, and I will be doing the puddle pour first, consisting of only black and white paint. The recipe for the puddle pour is just acrylic paint and water until the paint is the same consistency as molasses, which is thicker than honey. So now I'm gonna do, this is the puddle pour. Now I will be doing the flip cup. And for the flip cup, you will need Floetrol, which you can get at any specialty paint shop or Home Depot if you're in the States, America. You will need acrylic paint, which I got from Michael's. And you will need silicone, which I got from Canadian Tire, but you can also get this at any automotive store. So my recipe is always 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then I added a bit of water until the paint flows like melted chocolate or like honey. And then I have 2 drops of silicone in this color. I will be using blue, black, and white for the flip cup. That's my white. I'm gonna add just a splash of black because black can be a bit overpowering. Maybe that much. And now I'll add the blue. Okay, time for the flip cup. We're gonna try to flip it in the dead center. Here we go. There you have it. And we're gonna try to tilt this gently up, down, left, and right, just to move the paint a bit. Hi guys, I'm back with a quick close-up of my puddle pour and flip cup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. For more videos, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comment section, and I will absolutely get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. I'm back again. This is the last time, I promise. So this is a similar pour that I did a couple weeks ago, and this one is varnished. And as I said, I used the same technique with the puddle pour, and then I did the flip cup in the center. So this is black, painted this canvas black, did the pour, and here I have a teal canvas with the same technique. This is varnished as well, and this one turned out completely different. And the last one is a white canvas, and in this pour I got a possum. I don't know if you guys can see him right here. Looks like a dead possum. One eye there, one eye here. His little nose right there. Yeah, so this is the same technique. 3 different pours. And I'm done this time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. Bye-bye.